Today I'm changing the lock cylinder on my 1991 third generation Trans Am. The previous owner told me that the locks were jammed for one reason or another, but I'm pretty sure he actually just gave me the wrong key because it didn't work on the rear hatch either. So I got a kit to replace all the lock cylinders. Fortunately, this isn't too difficult of a job, but I'm going to show you guys how to do it. I'm going to be doing it on the driver's side door. So that's the lock that we're going to be changing. And first off, I've already done it. You got to take off the inner door panel. And also, this job is a lot easier if your window is in the down position. Alright, so this is the inner part of the lock cylinder. There's a clip right here that we're going to have to pop off. And once we get this off, there's a clip also right here that we're going to have to pull off. And then the cylinder should just come right out. Alright, I dropped it at the bottom of the door, but that's okay. I'm just going to move the light and grab my clip. So this other clip here, it's really being held on right here on this side, and the same thing on the exact opposite side. So what I have found is the easiest thing to do in the past is to kind of knock it sideways. Let's see if I can do that here. Because once you knock it sideways, it kind of comes out a little bit easier. When you're installing the new one, just pay attention to the direction that the key goes into the lock. Mine was basically went in this direction, which means the lock should go this way. Okay? So that means when I install it on the door, oh, let's get some better light, just like that. My kit actually came with a new clip, so I'm using the new one, but I don't think it would do any harm to use the original one if that's all you got. My kit did not include the first clip that we took off, which will now be the second clip that we're putting on. I don't have a new one of those, so I will be using the original. The second clip, you hopefully see the shape of it there, kind of fits on like a puzzle piece. So basically it's going to go this direction. I'm gonna slide it on this way and then push downward, and it'll lock into place. Alright, I know I was blocking the light there, but it was the best I could do, guys. I had to, my hand was blocking it when I put it in here, but I slid it on. That's the clip-on right there. And I think it's going to be easiest to go from the top again and kind of bang it down into place. So let's give that a try. So I'm kind of going back and forth, left side, right side, just lightly tapping it into place, and it appears to be working. And that's it. It's in there. Alright, let's make sure it works. I think that's locked. There we go, it's locked now. Make sure we pull the key out. Very good. Oops, upside down. Go the other way. Unlocked. Beautiful. And that's it. Alright, and there it is. That wasn't too bad. It really only took me like 20 minutes. If you guys like this video, please subscribe. I'm going to have a lot more videos like this. I have this 3rd generation Trans Am, and I also have an 81 2nd generation Trans Am that I do work on. And if you guys are into podcasts, I also have that on my channel here, so you can check that out. I talk about cars a lot, because cars are cool. And cool. Thanks for checking out my channel. See you next time.